Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with the next step of our application, which is going to be testimonials section. Alright, let's start as usual. Let's go to our components first. Let's add new class. Testimonial view component. Yep, let's inheritance from view component. So if nothing comes up, just click outside, bring the cursor on the text, and just try to use Control dot from your keyboard, and namespace have been showed. Just click it and we got our view component inheritance. Alright, let's add our testimonial section, testimonial service, private read only I testimonial service, testimonial service. Yep, control dot generate constructor. All done. Let's create our method iView component result, invoke async, return view. Alright, let's go to our entities first. Let's see our testimonial properties. So we got command, full name, title, and file name. I just need these four. Let me copy this for section, and let's go to view models, testimonial, and let's create a new class which is going to be testimonial list for UI. Control RG, public, and paste. Let's save it. Alright, we done with the entity layer. Let's go to service layer, auto mapper, testimonial mapper. Let's Control D. Just add for UI. All done. Let's close it, close it, close it. Anything else? Yeah, we need to add our services now. No, not the identity. Here we go. Testimonial service. All right. Let's collapse all definitions. Perfect. Go to downside. UI site methods. Public async task. We're going to return a list of our testimonials. Testimonial list for UI. Yeah, this is our value entity. Get all list for UI async. I'm gonna copy from the original listing method for the admin site as usual. For UI, copy, paste, copy. Oops, so we click wrong place. Paste. Alright, if you click the control, this is the normal. I'm just bring my cursor top of my entity. If I click the control, and you will able to go inside and see this class what it is. Okay, that's what happened a couple of seconds ago. I just click the control and click the entity, and we are here. Okay, let's close it. Okay, it's done. Let's go to our interface and implement our signature for our method. It's done. Service is done. So abstract and concrete services are done. Let's create our method testimonial list await testimonial service dot get all list for UI async, and return value is, here we go, we paste it. Let's save it now. We're done with the component. I'm gonna keep this section. Okay, we're going to copy this section, but leave it like that for now. Let's go to our structure of application view section. Components, yes, let's create a folder here now. The name of folder is testimonial. Let's add a view here. It's going to be empty. The name is default as usual. Delete them all. Bring our section, testimonial section, Control C, Control V, and we also need to add our model here. No, try to type as it is, list for UI, and control dot. We got our namespace. Let's go to EV imports, Control V, Control S, close it. We got our model in our hands now, so let's have a look. I would like to delete the explanation of the section, and I guess these are, which one is our testimonials? These are our testimonials, I guess. Yeah, testimonial item, not that one, testimonial item. All testimonial item has their own class, which is called swiper slide. Let's have a look. Okay, so I I guess it's going to we're going to use just one class for each, which is called swiper slide. Let's delete the rest of them and create our for each here and put inside Control X. Yeah, it's going to be our model, and so we got here. This is code or left code. This is icon. And there is an explanation here. Alright. So we're going to delete this and let's add item dot what we have here. I guess this is going to be comment. This is going to be the picture. So let's say images, and oops, sorry, item dot file name. Yeah, this is the testimonials. This is the name, item dot full name, and it must be the title, item dot title. So we got picture, name, title, and command. So the rest of them, it must be the alright. Okay. Let's save it. Anything else? Yeah, we need to add our view component to our home page. Not this one. The home index of home page, and the name is, normally it's written testimonial, but I recognized for a long time ago, but I didn't want to change the names. It's gonna take too much time. Just I've used the, how it's written in the first time, by the way. Okay. Testimonial is done. Now let's try and see what we have in our hands right now. Views home index. View in browser. I'm waiting my application to be executed, guys. Come on, C Sharp. Come on, Visual Studio. Come on, my computer. Yeah, hold on. Okay, alright. Let's go slowly. Everything seems is working. This is our portfolio. This is the testimonials. Yeah. We don't have our picture, I guess. Interesting. What's that interesting? Yeah, we need to update our information, I guess. Then it will be able to it will be look like much better, but it's working. Okay, let's log in now. This video lesson 5. The password is password 12 star star. Let's go to admin site. Let's go to testimonial. Okay, let's edit. Okay, the Marilyn Monroe. The title is actress. No. Um, we are not film company, so I'm gonna make it just director of Google. So we don't have a business with the actor. Okay, the comment is just leave it like that. We need a picture of the person. Just I'm going to use um okay, let's find some person. Marilyn Monroe. All right, the pictures. Let's use this picture. It's all right. Save image, desktop, save it. Okay, and I guess we have. Where is our website? Just let's go back. Jackie Chan and Michael Jackson. Let's found them as well. Jackie Chan. I'm going to get this picture. JJ, Jackie Chan, and Michael Jackson. Let's use this one. MJ. Alright. Now oh sorry, let's go back our application. Let's edit Marilyn Monroe. Title is um, Director of Google. Yeah, we are giving them a new titles. Alright, let's submit it. Okay, Marilyn Monroe, Jackie Chan is the solist. Solist'tir yapalım. Let's soli. No, I'm not. I'm gonna just make a fighter. Fighter, alright. He's a good fighter anyway. Submit it. And Michael Jackson, song writer. Let's edit Jackson. Alright, now let's go our home page and see our we would like to add testimonial section here, by the way. Let's go. It's not working. It must be a mistake about our file name, I guess. Let's have a look now. www.root images testimonials. These sorry guys, my bad. Is there any problem with the root, the path? This is the images item.file name. Let's have a quick look our MS SQL and see how it's written in our database. Probably there is a problem with the path. That's why they're not working right now, because it's already written our in our folder as a physical face. Yep. Okay, let's go to database, plumbing DB tables and testimonials. At top 200 rows. Yep. Testimonials 5. Okay, it seems everything fine. Images. It's really interesting. It must be work right now. Why we couldn't see the images? Let's go to our admin page and see the edit. Yeah, we're able to see the picture here. This is working. Let's go back. This is the Jackie Chan. This is the Michael Jackson. Alright. So let's have a look the other admin site. Um, Path admin with testimonials. Update testimonials. So we got a path here for we must have a path. Update testimonial. Hmm. So everything seems alright in this section. As before photo. Image from control. Placeholder photo. It's really interesting. Yeah, it's images model.file name. Let's go back again. Images item.file name. It's really interesting. Let's close and try to open again one more time within browser. It's really interesting. It's not working. Testimonials. Is is this about the name problem? Hmm. It's really interesting. File name, class. Oh, we forgot to add our apostrophe here. That's why it's not working. Alright, just realized that. Now it must be work, guys. It's my bad. Sorry about that. Probably you have seen that, but just take some time to me to realize that. Yeah, as you can see, Marilyn Monroe, Jackie Chan, and Michael Jackson, they they are here with us, and we can see their comments for our business or website. I think it's all done. Now let's have a look how many minutes have been done. It's already 19 minutes. Let's finish this lesson here. And next step will be going to iGas. Let's have a look quickly. So what's next now? Oh, we finished the testimonial site. Yeah, we can add a call to action section, I guess. Okay, so all right, let's finish this lesson here and see you on next lesson. Bye bye, guys.